What would really happen if someone tried to dive into the Bermuda Triangle today? At first, it sounds like an amazing idea, a chance to finally see what's hiding deep below. But the truth is much scarier. Many submarines have tried to explore it, but none could reach the bottom. One team sent a robot with a strong cable. It went down for 6 minutes, then stopped moving. The signal was gone. Another group tried again with better tech. Every compass started spinning. Cameras froze. Then silence. The ocean floor there is full of broken ships and twisted metal. And under that wreckage, something moves. A few months ago, a sonar picked up a slow, steady sound, like a heartbeat, deep in the dark. If you want to hear it, search Triangle Heartbeat on TikTok. Some say it's just noise. Others think it's still alive.